Today's day, what, the 11th, I think? And this is what we got. Anyway, let's time lapse this. So what I'm going to do here is tug this log out. And so what I need to do is to roll it this away once. And then that might come off, or anyway, it'll swing up out of the way, and then I can tug it up out of here. So the way I have it wrapped is it's tight back here, and then it comes around the log, and so when it starts to pull, when it starts to pull this, it'll hopefully pull that over. Now, round logs, it works well. I've got a little bit of stick here. Let me see if I can pick this up and move it over top of that elderberry. Remember to lift with your back and not your legs. Nope, either one. Okay, so then if that don't work, looking for nails, boss, looking for nails. Yeah. Let's get twisted. Boss. Rolled it up out of there like I wanted it to. Now we'll pull it up out of here. Yeah, chain come loose. But I needed to change the camera angle anyway. That's what y'all want, right?
No karate mustache wax. We get that from India. Yes, yes. Still good after 45 years. Yes. Came out of the asshole of a wild boar.
So I'm going to take a few minute break. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this up to the back end, hook a chain to this end, and then hook it to my pintle hitch. So on my sky hook, I mean, it says it's rated for 4,000. The hydraulics might be rated for 4,000. These tires are not rated for much more than 1,000. So I need to, if I'm going to stay stationary, I'm going to have to put some feet out here where that goes down so that the weight's on the ground and not the tires and axles. And if I do something else, I'll have to put larger axles on, like car axles, which that's what I might do if I'm going to be doing any road haul. So this is So I tore down the old gazebo and I saw something I thought I'd show you. Now these trees this is a birch. This is a classically moose-eaten tree. They keep them mowed down and then they look real scraggly. All these in here are. There's a willow, and then some more willows. There's another birch. Cottonwood. They don't like the cottonwood until you cut it, and then they come running, man. Oh man, in the spring, that sweet taste underneath the bark. Oh man, you can't run them away from it. But they keep it gnawed down. Trim them out. Over there, that's been gnawed on. All of these have been gnawed on. That's why they don't, they're not man crimped, they're nature crimped. Or pruned, or whatever you want to call it. But this is the old wellhead, cleaning out the old gazebo, grabbing my brick. I'm going to clean this out.